Model, 2014 Skoda Octavia Se 2.0 TDI black starts good drives needs head gasket repair. Body, black, Saloon. Mileage, 227,710. MOT, the 30th of January 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI-H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Still starts to drive fine. Just needs simple head gasket replacement, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy.